Welcome to my channel. How to screen mirror any Android phone to any TV. Step 1. Check if your TV supports screen mirroring. Before you begin, make sure your TV has a screen mirroring feature. Smart TVs usually support Miracast, Chromecast, Google Cast, or AirPlay compatible apps. If your TV isn't smart, you can use a Chromecast or another streaming device. Step 2. Connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi. For the best experience, connect your Android phone and your TV to the same Wi-Fi network. This allows the devices to find each other quickly and keeps the connection stable. Step 3. Turn on screen mirroring on your TV. Open your TV's settings and enable the screen mirroring or casting option. Depending on your TV brand, this feature may be called Screen Share, Smart View, Cast, Miracast, or Wireless Display. Step 4. Open the Cast feature on your Android phone. Swipe down from the top of your phone to open the Quick Settings panel. Tap Cast, Screen Cast, Smart View, or Wireless Display. If you don't see it, use the search option in Settings. Step 5. Select your TV. Your phone will search for nearby compatible devices. When your TV appears in the list, tap its name to start the connection. Step 6. Confirm the connection. Some TVs display a confirmation message or pairing code. Accept the request using your TV remote or match the code shown on both devices if required. Step 7. Start screen mirroring. Once connected, your Android phone's screen will appear on your TV. You can now watch videos, view photos, play games, or browse websites on the larger screen. Step 8. Adjust the display if needed. If the picture doesn't fit properly, change the screen size or aspect ratio in your TV settings. Rotating your phone to landscape mode also provides a better viewing experience. Step 9. Fix common connection problems. If your TV doesn't appear, restart both devices, reconnect to Wi-Fi, or move closer to the router. You can also turn Wi-Fi off and back on or update your phone and TV software. Step 10. Disconnect when you're finished. When you're done, open the Cast or screen mirroring option on your phone and tap Disconnect. This ends the connection and returns your TV to its normal display. Thanks for watching.